Question 2, Part A, Part 4. In a study with 2,000 school students using GONE, how many would you expect to have their dandruff condition improve? Alright, because probability is to do a proportion, the first thing we are going to do in answering this question is to look at the proportion. Leave 2,000 students. It's going to be a proportion of 2,000 students in the final answer. Leave the number 2,000 for now, and let's look at the rest of the question. The rest of the question is to do with a proportion. We can work that out to begin with. School students using GONE. School students using GONE. That is a phrase, and we can find that in the table. We look at the table, go here, school students used GONE. Okay, total number of students that used GONE. It doesn't mention, we go back here, it doesn't mention anything about improvement in this phrase or anything not improvement. Okay, so school students using GONE. So we look at the total school students using GONE, it's 380. Okay, so in your answer you can write down over 380 on the denominator, and we'll check whether that's the largest number. So again, the largest number must go at the bottom. We'll check if it's the largest in a minute. Okay, let's look at the next little bit here. How many would you expect to have their dandruff condition improve? Dandruff condition improve. We can check dandruff condition improve. There's a number of students who had their dandruff condition improve, and we can check that on the table. Okay. Now in the question we're referring to only this row here because we're looking at the school students using GONE. And if we have a look here, the ones that had an improvement and used GONE are 254 out of 380. So 254 out of 380 used GONE and had an improvement. 254 out of 380. Dandruff condition improved for 254, and the ones that used GONE in total were 380. While that is not our final answer, because there's another little bit of information, in a study of 2,000, how many would you expect to have their dandruff condition improve? We have a look at this here. It says many, so we want a number. We don't want a fraction, we just want a number of students. While looking at this here, this is roughly 2/3. See there's a 2 here and a 3 there. Okay, so look at the answer. That's going to be about 2/3 here. 2/3 of 2,000. So we think that the answer would probably be roughly 1,300 as the answer. School students would show an improvement because you expect there to be 2/3 of them showing an improvement. 2/3 of 2,000 is about 1,300, just giving a guess. To work this out precisely, however, you need to multiply by 2,000. So the proportion times 2,000, this proportion of 2,000, of, times is of. Okay, so this proportion of 2,000, enter that into your calculator as 254 divided by 380 times 2,000 is 1,336, or you need to round it up. It's 0.8, we should round it up, round that 6 up to a 7, 1,337. Why are we rounding to a whole number? 1,337. Well, if we look at the question, how many? Many is not a decimal point. Many is a number. How many? Okay, so let's round. We can't have half a person. We'd expect there to be 1,337 people out of the 2,000. That's the word 2,000. 1,337 people we would expect to show some improvement in their dandruff condition. So 0 DP is the answer, and that's your final answer.